Alright guys, good day today. Sunday. Basically we're going to do a trimming, cleaning and also removal of this part of the tree. Right, so as you can see just now on the preview of this job, I'm going to clean this up. It's not a very tall tree, but the thing is about this one is creeping me out. You know why? Because we normally going to discover our friend up there. You know what I mean? Normally they like to stay in this kind of place. Yeah, that's maybe their habitat in Asia, in Malaysia, Borneo. Typically, we have quite a lot of snakes. So I have a good feeling that there's gonna be at least one or two of them up there. Yeah, so anyhow, I'm not going to disturb the nest. However, I'm just going to cut somewhere around here. So get it to fall here, and then we're gonna clear up, and I'm going to do the touch up somewhere around here. Alright guys, so basically I'm trying to make some interesting video for this round. Right, not much of a talk. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the clips, the views, yeah, the process. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Enjoy. Alright guys, so basically when we are doing tree works and you're going to meet this kind of wood, you see this is a rotten wood, right? And it's very dry during the dry season. See, we caught on fire. Right guys, you see we caught on fire. And just to show you that it is very dangerous if you are not observing your environment, right? So we have this, it just went on burning, keep on burning, but I noticed on the smoke, so I bring a plastic of water just to take it off. Right guys, so always be careful guys, always be careful, because this is a whole thing that it can just lit up and burn the whole tree. It can just burn the whole tree guys, so it's very dangerous, right? Finish! Finally, job done.